people, it's Courtney. Welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing a unboxing Peachybbies slimes and review. And before we get into it, here is our notification squad of the video. If you want to be featured in my next video, make sure to click that subscribe button and turn on the little bell next to it. That way you're notified when I upload. If you love slime, I also made another YouTube channel called My Slime Shack, the same as like my slime Instagram and Etsy shop. And basically it's a ton of slime compilation videos, so make sure to check it out and subscribe if you love slime videos. I'll link it down below. So first up, here is the package that it arrived in. I got 3 different 4-ounce slimes, and then it also came inside of a box inside the envelope. And I was actually really surprised all the slimes fit in this box. It looked like too narrow, but they fit perfectly. Everything was packaged really nicely and nothing broke at all. The package itself took a little bit over a week from when I ordered it to actually arrive. So all of these slimes were the same price, and they worked out to be a little bit over $12 a piece once they were shipped. So to get started, I'm starting off with this candy shop slime, which is a clear pinkish slime, and it came with a little candy charm, and it's supposed to be great for poking and also really drizzly. So right off the bat, it looked pretty stiff, I'm not gonna lie. So this was actually sitting at room temperature, so it wasn't cold or anything like that, but even just like pulling it out of the container, it just ripped a lot. It wasn't sticky whatsoever. It was very like thick, clear slime, and it smelled amazing. Like, I will have to say that about all these slimes. They smelled so good and not overpowering. So it's great if you play with it like just like this, and I added the little charm on top. But once I started like stretching it, if you're not careful, it does break. You have to stretch it like very slowly. This slime was supposed to be great for poking and drizzling, but I didn't think it worked that well since it was more on the stiff side. Is Nebulas Galaxy, which is probably my favorite because look how beautiful it is. It's topped with a white slime, and then the purple slime is like a purple jelly slime. So it's just so beautiful. It has like blue glitters in it, and it's just, I think this is so pretty. I love the combination, and it didn't like overly mix in the mail, which is great. This one also, because of the clear slime in it, it did break and rip a little bit. Not as bad as the first one, but it was more on the stiff side and not super stretchy or drizzly. I think the white glue helped with this one, but the scent again smelled amazing, and it was just so pretty. And then it mixes into like a pretty like light purple color, and it has a really awesome texture because of the jelly slime. So again, with this one, you have to be careful when you stretch it. If you pull it too quickly or too hard, then it will break. You have to kind of pull it really slowly. But other than that, I think it was a really pretty slime. Last, we have this pink Starburst slime, and I loved this slime. This one had the perfect texture. It was a little bit on the sticky side, but it could be activated, of course. I actually didn't even activate it for this video. It was just a tad bit sticky, no big deal. But this is the texture that I wish the other slimes were. It was super clicky, super stretchy. I didn't have to worry about it ripping. It had a really great consistency and texture, and again, it smelled really good, and this one was really pretty as well. Overall, I think the slimes were pretty good. I guess I had this impression of it being, you know, like a famous slime shop, that it would be like amazing slimes, and the clear slimes could definitely use some improvement. But overall, I think they smelled really good and I enjoyed them. So let me know what you guys thought of these and who you would like to see me review next that has a famous slime shop. And I will talk to you guys very soon. Bye!